Friends, this is a story about a boy who almost gave up. In a narrow street between broken houses and hanging wires lived a 19-year-old boy named Ravi. His family had very little, but they had dignity. His father worked long hours in a printing press. His mother stitched clothes late into the night. And Ravi carried a dream. Not for fame, not for money, but to give his family a better life. Every morning he delivered milk. In the afternoon he rushed to college. In the evening he taught children. And at night, when the world slept, he studied. He was tired, but he never stopped. Until one day, everything changed. The printing press shut down. No warning, no notice, just silence. His father came home, empty-handed. And suddenly, Ravi's world became heavier. He worked more, he tried harder, but it was never enough. One night, his friends told him, "People like us don't become engineers." Ravi said nothing, but inside something broke. The next morning he walked away, far from the noise, far from the struggle, until he reached a quiet hill. And there sat an old monk. Ravi didn't plan to speak, but his tears spoke for him. "I'm tired," he whispered. "I'm losing everything." The monk listened, then said softly, "Do something for me." He pointed to a mango tree. "A pigeon is building a nest. Go there every day and destroy it." Ravi was shocked, but he agreed. The next morning he broke the nest, and the next day the pigeon came back and built it again. Again Ravi destroyed it. Again the pigeon returned. Day after day, the same story. Build, break, build again. And slowly, something changed inside Ravi. On the 10th day, he raised his hand, but stopped. He couldn't do it anymore. He ran back to the monk. "I don't understand. Why did you make me do this?" The monk looked at him and said, "That pigeon knows its home may fall, but it still builds every single day. Why? Because it believes one day nothing will break it." Ravi stood silent. And then the monk said, "Life will break your dreams again and again, but your strength is in rising again. Not once, not twice, but every single time. And remember, no storm lasts forever." Something inside Ravi changed that day. He was still tired, still struggling, but no longer hopeless. Because now he understood success is not about never falling, it's about never stopping.